Hello guys, how are you? And today I'm gonna show you this one, this here, this one. Behind this building is Atlantis Hotel, Hotel Atlantis. Okay, so this one, you know, you will uh, you will find in any video about Dubai Marina. This one is Burj Al Arab. This is Burj Al Arab. As you can see, it's here. From my place is only 5 minutes, and here this is Burj Khalifa. As everyone knows, the tallest building in Dubai Marina. In Dubai, I mean, this Burj Khalifa. Okay guys, today here raining, so look at the sky. It's dark clouds. Maybe tonight will be rain again, I don't know. So see, this half from here is building, but here also there's lots of building on the sea. Okay, half the sea and half the land. Wow, so nice. Okay, that's it. Actually, this morning it was raining and I make a video also, but maybe I will upload it after this one. Okay, thank you for all and bye bye.